Hello friends, in this video I want to show you on how you can render an After Effects composition to a video. So after you edit your video, how do you render your video? So I will try to render this simple logo animation I created in my previous video. You can download this, you can watch this video in using the link in the video description, and also you will have an opportunity to download this template from that video. So for us to render this video, we'll have to go to File, Export, then Add to Queue. So here we will click on Output to. So you will choose the location you want to output. So let me just select some location here. I have a location saying video tutorials, and I will call it 3D animated logo. 3D animated logo. Click OK. Now click on Output module and select the module you want. I love using QuickTime, so you select QuickTime. If your video has audio, go to audio option, then you can either turn it on or off. I just leave it auto, then click OK. For render settings, I think you can leave default 1920 by 1080 resolution, leave it that one. Quality, just leave it as it is. I think there's nothing to change here. Once you are done, just click on render, and then your video will be able to render. And there we go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share.